What if you could start a YouTube channel today, without showing your face, without buying expensive equipment, and without any prior experience? No camera, no microphone, no editing skills, just a laptop, a few free AI tools, and a willingness to learn. I know because that's exactly how AI Money Moves was built. This channel you're watching right now was created from scratch, using nothing but free AI tools. And in just a few weeks, it's already growing with real subscribers and real views. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it yourself, step by step, no fluff. Let's get into it. Welcome to AI Money Moves, where we turn AI tools into real income streams. If you're new here, subscribe right now, because we drop practical money-making videos every single week. Now, let's build your faceless YouTube channel. Step 1. Pick your niche. And this is the most important decision you'll make. Your niche is basically the topic your channel is about. And the key is to pick something that has three things. Number 1, it has a large audience. People are actively searching for it on YouTube. Number 2, it can be monetized, either through ads, affiliate marketing, or digital products. Number 3, you can create content consistently without running out of ideas. Some of the best faceless YouTube niches right now are AI and technology, like this channel, finance and investing, health and wellness, personal development, true crime, history, and how to make money online. Pick one niche. Don't try to cover everything. Focus is what makes channels grow. Use ChatGPT to help you decide. Just type, "Give me 10 faceless YouTube niche ideas that are easy to monetize in 2025, and let it generate ideas for you. Step 2. Set up your YouTube channel in 10 minutes. Go to youtube.com. Click your profile picture. Click Create a Channel. Choose a name that reflects your niche. For your channel art, use Canva. It's completely free. Create a profile picture and a channel banner. Keep it clean, bold, and professional. Use your brand colors consistently. Write a channel description that tells viewers exactly what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. That's it. Your channel is live. Takes less than 10 minutes. Step 3. Create your content using AI tools. This is where the magic happens. Here's the exact workflow we use at AI Money Moves. First, use Claude or ChatGPT to write your script. Just give it a topic and tell it the tone and length you want. It will generate a complete script in seconds. Read through it, make adjustments, and add your personal touch. Second, use ElevenLabs to generate your voiceover. ElevenLabs has incredibly realistic AI voices that sound completely human. Choose a voice that matches your brand. Generate each section of your script separately. Then merge them together in Audacity, which is also free. Third, download free stock footage from Pexels.com. Search for visuals that match your script. Download 20 to 30 clips per video. Fourth, edit everything together in DaVinci Resolve. This is a professional video editing software that is completely free. Place your stock footage on the video track. Add your voiceover on the audio track. Add background music at low volume. Fifth, create your thumbnail on Canva. Bold text, strong colors, eye-catching image. Your thumbnail is what makes people click, so make it count. The whole process from script to finished video takes about 3 to 4 hours once you get the hang of it. Step 4. Upload and optimize your video for search. When uploading to YouTube, there are 4 things that determine whether people find your video. Number 1, your title. Use keywords people are actually searching for. Tools like TubeBuddy or just YouTube search suggestions can help you find the right keywords. Number 2, your description. Write at least 150 words describing what the video is about. Include your main keywords naturally. Number 3, your tags. Add 10 to 15 relevant tags that describe your content. Number 4, your thumbnail. We already covered this, but it cannot be stressed enough. A great thumbnail gets clicks. Clicks get views. Views get subscribers. Upload consistently, at least 2 videos per week. The YouTube algorithm rewards consistency above everything else. Step 5. Monetize your channel and start earning. YouTube Partner Program requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you hit those numbers, you can earn money from ads on every video. But you don't have to wait for that. You can start earning from day one through affiliate marketing. Promote AI tools and earn commissions when people sign up through your link. Tools like ElevenLabs, Jasper, and Canva all have affiliate programs. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, or courses related to your niche directly to your audience. Sponsorships. Once you have a few thousand subscribers, brands will pay you to mention their products in your videos. The beauty of a faceless YouTube channel is that once your videos are uploaded, they keep earning money forever. That's true passive income. So there you have it, the complete step-by-step guide to starting a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. Step 1, pick your niche. Step 2, set up your channel. Step 3, create content with AI. Step 4, upload and optimize. Step 5, monetize and earn. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're starting your faceless YouTube channel today. I want to see who's taking action. And if you want a full tutorial on any of these steps, subscribe and let me know in the comments which step you need help with most. Share this video with someone who's been thinking about starting a YouTube channel. They'll thank you for it. I'll see you in the next one.